Welcome to TFRCC TV, the Faithfully Rising Christian Community, a Catholic spiritual content channel dedicated to reflections, masses, adorations, gospel music, documentaries, and more. Our content is created for the Catholic community worldwide. While our platform is open to all, please be aware that the material presented here is exclusively intended for Catholics. We hold respect for all beliefs and do not seek to offend or convert followers of other religions. Thank you for joining us on our spiritual journey.
I am Father Stanley D'Souza, the parish priest of this Sacred Heart Cathedral, Shimoga, Karnataka. I've been here as a parish priest since 3 years. I want to give a brief history of this church. The Christianity must have come here in the 18th century. And as per the records, 1847, there was a church here. And as per the records, there was a baptism conducted, also the marriage conducted here, it was celebrated. So, but later on, in 1873, a good church was constructed. 1873, and it was constructed by one French priest, Father Gerbia. And it seems the Father Gerbia brought the statue from France of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, and it was presented by his own sister. And also the bell which we ring here also brought from France. 1873 to 1973, the church was existing nearly for a century. After that, it was, very bad condition. Partially, it was renovated in 1974-75 by Monsignor Jedapis Quera, hailing from Goa. He was a parish priest of this church. This renovated church was once again, demolished because of the various conditions in 1994. In 1989, a new diocese came into existence. So automatically the church, Sacred Heart Church, became Sacred Heart Cathedral, the seat of the bishop. Thus, 1994, the foundation stone was laid, and 1998, January 31st, the new church, Cathedral Church, was inaugurated in the presence of about 10-15 bishops. Archbishop of Bangalore, Archbishop Alphonse Matthias, was the chief celebrant. And here in this church, we have also the novena to Mount Carmel. In 18th century, there was the sodality of Mount Carmel. And this sodality was very, it was having a vibrant presence here. So much so they were having this novena in the month of July. As you know, July 16th is the Mount Carmel feast. And prior to that, they have novena of 9 days. About 200 years ago, what happened, about 150 years ago, there was a big, famine. And the rivers which are in the vicinity, Tunga, especially the river Tunga, was in spate. The water was about to gush into inside the city, and the whole city was supposed to be, submerged. People belonging to, irrespective of caste and creed, they were all praying. And at the same time, the novena was going here, the novena of Mount Carmel. And the people of all faith, also they had a special prayer here. And they took out a procession from the church to the river. And near the river, they had prayed, and they left a scapular in the water. The utter surprise, as they came back, the rain stopped, and slowly the water receded. And slowly the water receded, and there was a calm in the town. And thereupon, irrespective of caste and creed, people began to flock to this church to venerate Mount Carmel. So, though this church is dedicated to Sacred Heart of Jesus, the parish feast is Mount Carmel. Parish feast is Feast of Mount Carmel, July 16th. And that is celebrated in a great manner, a pomp and gay. So we have here about 570 odd families, Catholic families, belonging to various language groups: Tamil, Konkani, Kannada, Malayalam, Telugu, and so on. And the services are conducted only in Kannada. Many miracles are taking place in this church, in this place. So many people come, irrespective of faith, people come, not only looking at the marvel of this building, but also they get some vibration here. They get a little, solace to their mind and heart. So please do come, visit this church, have the blessing from the Lord Almighty. ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ, ಬೇರೆಯವರನ್ನು ಕನ್ನುಕೊಂಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದೇವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಗಳು. God bless you all.